Sleep is very much necessary to recharge ourselves, but it should be very sound. That may be 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour. Namaskar, welcome to Sumi Kaya Kalpam. Here I am going to share with you 7 very easy postures that you can perform on your bed before going to bed, and give yourself 7 to 10 minutes to get a very sound sleep. But make sure that your stomach should be empty before practicing these asanas. So you have to have your dinner 2 hours before sleep. The first posture is Virasana. For that, gently place your left foot beside the right knee at the outer side of the right thigh, left elbow over the left knee, and rest your chin over the left palm, right palm over the right knee. Just close your eyes and observe your breath. Try to have a smiling face and maintain this posture for about 1 minute. You can practice the same in other side this way. It will help to tranquilize your mind and maintain the calmness of your mind. So this is Virasana. Practice it for about 1 minute. Then the next posture is Marjari. Stand with your knees. Then place your palms just in front of the knees with one arm distance. This is the best position. Here you inhale and arch your back towards the floor. Look up, hold the position, final position. With inhalation, you have to look up. Final position, normal breath. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Practice this for about 1 minute. It's up to you. In 1 minute, how much round you have to complete. Sit in Vajrasana. Inhale, raise your arms. With exhalation, just move forward and try to touch your forehead, palm and elbow to the ground. Relax. This is the final position. You can hold this position for 1 minute or for 16 breath, 1 round. Continue this, and sometimes you may feel asleep during this posture. Don't worry about it. Practice this for 1 minute. Inhale, raise up, Shasankasana. Then the next posture is Viparita Karani Mudra. For that, lie flat. Then gently inhale, keep your both toes together and legs together, thigh together. With the retention of breath, raise your legs, thighs up, and by the help of the palms, lift up your butt and keep it at 75 degree. Hold this position as much as you can. This is Then the next posture is Suptabadha Dvikonasana. Suptabadha Konasana. For that, gently fold your knees and feet together towards the pelvic. Then open your knees to the opposite side this way. As much as you can, open your hip and open your knees towards the ground, and place your arms at the side of the body, palms facing towards the roof. Relax your whole body. Hold this position in normal breath. If you are unable to hold this position for 1 minute, inhale and bring your knees to the middle. Stay for a few seconds. Again exhale. Stretch your knees, stretch your hips, knees towards the ground, and arms at the side of the body, palms facing towards the roof. In normal breath, just hold this position as much as you can At least 1 minute you have to perform this posture in a relaxed way on the bed before going to sleep. Okay, relax. Then the next posture is Ananda Balasana. Hold your knees towards the chest. Then gently hold your big toes by moving your arms in between the knees. Hold the big toes, and here you will stretch your legs and knees as much as you can. You can keep this way or you can stretch your legs. So with a relaxed way, just stretch your knees just like a baby. Ananda Balasana, happy child pose. Inhale, middle, relax. Again, fold your knees, hold your toes, exhale and stretch it. Stretch it, hold this position as much as you can. I hope you will enjoy these asanas. Very easy postures. This can be performed on the bed to get a very sound and healthy sleep. Practice it. Then Savasana. For that, lie flat on the mat or on bed. Feet little apart, at least 30 centimeter gap. Hands at the side of the body, palms facing towards the roof. Relax your whole body. Surrender your whole body to the ground, just like a baby on the lap of the mother. Gently close your eyes. Ensure your spine, neck and head should be in a straight line. Make sure that throughout the practice, your body remains steady in this posture. Do not move your body. Just surrender your whole body. Completely surrender to the floor and observe your breath. Just like a dead man, maintain this posture. And sometimes you may feel asleep in this posture. Don't worry about it. Just sleep. Or you can perform Matsyakrida Asana this way. Just turn your body and lie with your abdomen. Hold your left knee and bring it close to the chest. Left elbow close to the left knee. Interlock the fingers and rest your head by turning it to the left side. Close your eyes, relax. Matsyakrida Asana. Either you can perform Savasana or you can sleep in this way. And practice the same on the other side also if you wish. So do practice. Keep on watching my videos. Don't hesitate to subscribe it, share it, like it, and do not forget to write your comments and suggestions. Take care of yours. Keep smiling. Namaskar.